This is my motorcycle jacket, which I wear it in summer, springtime, and in easy autumn, not late autumn, in the beginning, when it's not so cold. Take it out. It is summer edition. Here it has holes so the air can pass through the jacket and I feel the cold breeze. It's not for winter. Okay. Here it has two selections. If I was a little bit fatter or if I was doing gym, I had to put it in the external position. Now that I'm thin, I do this, so it's not so big on me. Okay, here also I can adjust it. For example, if I have it like this, not so tight, the air passes from here. But in the night time, when I'm on motorcycle, maybe I feel a little bit chilly. So what I do this. So not so much air passes from here. I can adjust it. Here it has a protection in case I fall down, which it can be taken out, so whenever I want to wash the jacket, I can do it easily. Inside it has a pocket. I usually keep my mobile here, okay, and sometimes I keep some money, not too much, just in case I need something. It's a quite big pocket. It has also a pocket from here. In this pocket I have neck protection. You can understand how it can be worn. I use it in summertime whenever I don't want my neck to be burned from the sun, or I use it again, as I told you, in chilly nights when I feel a little bit cold, so I wear it and feel better. On this side I have light gloves, summer type, like this. So I have them always with me. Okay, they're from the same brand, like the brand of my jacket. I always keep them here. I never want to be on the motorcycle or scooter without this gear. Okay. It also has here adjustable waist. You understand? If I want it to be, let me show you, like this. If I want it to be more tight, okay, or more loose, I use it like this. I generally want it not to be so tight. I prefer it a little bit more comfortable. Okay. As I told you before, it's only for summer. And here it has holes. For example, now I'm here and I can see the camera. To make you understand what I mean, I'm opening a flashlight. Okay, do you see? Here are the holes. Here, okay. Here, no holes. Sorry. Here holes. Here no holes. The flashlight is so strong. Let me use a lower lighting. I put it close to the jacket and I saw a little bit smoke. Believe me, it would burn it because it's so hot. I will make also a video about this flashlight. It's amazing. It's from Nightcore. It's amazing, amazing. By the way, let's go back to our jacket. I'm sure you understood what I told you. Light, no light. So this is also to the hands and in the front, like this. Here also, holes, everywhere, holes. Maybe you cannot see it, but they are here. Here, it has an opening where you can take out the protection. Do you see inside? Here is the protection. I don't want to take it out now, I am sorry. Here also it has internal, let's say, pockets if you want to take out this protection. You see, it's from here. It has also protection here. It's suggested to take it out before you wash it. Mine is quite new. I have to be honest, I'm not all day on the motorcycle, so still no time, still I haven't washed it. It's kind of new. I'm going to wear it again. Okay. Quality zipper. And here you can choose light or here, not for me, to be more close here to the neck. This was a video for my summer jacket. Thank you for watching.